Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notions video.
Yep.
Now this Notion is not new.
No, it is not.
But we've been using it more than we have in the past. Wonder Tape.
Wonder Tape.
So I just thought it's called Wash Away Wonder Tape, and it's by Collins, and you know, we've kind of just used it off and on throughout the years, but lately it seems like we've been using it more and more.
A lot.
And I'm like, hey,
Yeah.
let's, you know, you might not be aware of
And
this
show
Notion.
you about this tape.
And I'll be doing a couple videos.
Yes.
We'll be doing this one, and then I'll be doing another one where I use it again.
Yes.
But tell us, I see you have binding.
This is a really
Okay.
good application for Wonder Tape. So I've just done just a quick little quilt, and this will probably go to my granddaughter for her dolls. But so when I
Lucky
do something
Emma.
like that, I know
Lucky.
she'll
Hi,
love
Emma.
that. Hi, Emma. Yeah. So what we do, I always machine stitch my binding down when I give something like this to a child.
Yes.
Because you know,
Yeah.
it's going to get washed forever.
Yep.
So Wonder Tape is a double-sided transparent tape. And I can peel this off just a little bit here so you can just see it. It just looks like Scotch tape almost, right? Okay. So when I do binding, you know, you're holding it with your clips. Well, sometimes your clips are not,
They get in the way in the corners.
you take it
especially.
out of there, and then you go to sew it, and this binding is going to flip. Oh, I just, not my favorite thing. So I have found Wonder Tape is a miracle. So I am simply going to put this tape down like this, one side right on my binding. I'm going to go ahead and trim that off, and then I'm going to peel this end, making sure I'm leaving my transparent tape on there. See that? It's right there.
Wow.
And then you just set your binding down.
Wow, you don't really need the clips then.
No. How cool is that? This holds your binding right in place, so when you stitch this with your machine, you know your binding is going to look as nice on the back as it does on the front.
I've not tried
Isn't
this
that
with
cool?
binding before.
This is
This
very
is
clever.
like genuine. I got the pens or the Wonder
You
Clips.
really have not seen this before. Yeah, this is how you do the binding on the back of just something small. Children's quilts, that kind of thing. When you need to keep that binding right where you
Yes.
want it, this is how I do it, is with Wonder Tape.
So when you're in the corner here, Tammy, like this,
Yep.
would you just kind of press this down?
I would just finger press it, and now I'm just going to put my Wonder Tape right on here and just keep on going.
So that corner, which has
And
always
across.
been a problem for me, because I have to move my clip.
That's right. You move your clip out of the way, and then the corner flops.
It comes undone.
Yes.
And I don't have like that tight miter that I want right
Correct.
there. Now, this
So I
washes
put
away,
this on.
doesn't it?
It does. So it's going to wash away the very first time
Okay.
you wash something. It's completely disappears. It does not gum up your needle either.
So I don't need to use a
No.
like a non-stick.
You can use a nonstick needle if
not
you want to,
required.
but it is not required.
Wow.
No. And then hold it right down.
So if we're going to use it, this is a temporary adhesive.
Yes,
You
temporary
do need to stitch
adhesive.
it down.
Correct.
But if you're concerned
Correct.
about that getting
Something
thick or
moving.
stiff,
Yep.
doesn't happen.
Anytime in garment making, sometimes if you're having problems with seam shifting and you're trying to get them to hold together, put a little Wonder Tape
Yeah.
on there. It will do wonders for your sewing.
maybe that's why they call it the
Do
Wonder Tape.
wonders
Okay.
sewing.
Awesome.
Okay,
Well,
all right.
thank you for showing us.
You're
This
welcome.
is a great solution for binding.
welcome. It
I
is.
do have challenges, especially in the corners,
In
and maybe
corners.
you do too.
Yep.
So I'm going to add some to my sewing
Buy
room.
some Wonder Tape.
All right.
All right.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.